Whenever beginning any reloading operation, it's a good idea to start out with safety glasses. Even when cleaning a new set of dies, we will be working with aerosols that can get into your eye, so please take your safety very seriously. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanical operation of the Lock-N-Load Auto Progressive. First, you can see this grease groove on the ram lines up with this grease circ when the ram is raised to the complete up position. You give that a couple shots of grease when you get home, that ram will be lubricated for a long time. When you feel the ram start to hang up a little bit, give it some more grease. The linkage has also got 2 grease circs on both of the pivot points. The way to grease those, hit them with the grease gun. It shouldn't take more than a squirt or 2, but you'll see between the yoke and the linkage, when you see a little bit of grease coming out the edge of the linkage towards the yoke, that's enough grease. Same for the bottom one. When the grease makes it to the gap between the linkage arms and the linkage, that's enough grease. No need to over grease them. You don't want to have grease dripping out of the bottom of the press or anything like that. It doesn't take much. A little goes a long way. Next, these pawls are what cause the press to index. If you look in here, as those pawls pass, both going down and coming up, cause the drive hub to rotate. That's how the press indexes itself. One thing that can happen if you have an accident, an incident, something gets tight and you push it, if the edge of this pawl right there, the edge of this pawl become chipped, which they occasionally can, that is the most common thing that will cause the press to go out of index. Adjustment of these 2 cap screws, either in or out, will allow some play to get the press back in time. If something really gets messed up, we've got a lifetime warranty on all the parts and the workmanship. Call our customer service line at 800-338-3220 and we'll instruct you from there.